Good day everyone, this is Mosh Magbanua. I'm a videographer and a cyclist. Welcome to Cycling! It has been more than a year and a half since the pandemic started. Pero despite sina, we are somehow very lucky that IITF has approved biking, among others, as an outdoor non-contact sport and exercise activity under the general unmodified general community quarantines. Today we'll have a quick morning ride at Guimaras Island. Aside sa mga manaming beach and tourist spots, it is also the bike paradise of the Philippines. You can actually explore the entire island just riding your bike. But before that, here's a step-by-step guide on how to travel to Guimaras. Of course, following the safety protocols. The line is not that long during weekdays, especially when you're early. Bring your own pen para mas dasig and also to avoid unnecessary contact sa mga objects. ID. They are very strict sa ID. Make sure that the one you bring is matched sa inyong actual residence. Fill up the forms completely and of course, honestly, they already replaced the wooden pump boats with the fiberglass boats na. It's safer and more stable. Pagdung ka sa Guimaras Wharf, the health declaration checklist will be collected again and verified. For us na mga nagabike, mga cyclists, Manggahan Festival is all about cycling events and races. The start sang 4K uphill. Of course, you can take your mask if isa ka lang sa road kay umud lang man maginawa like this one. Puro taklad na kapoy, puro taklad. What's up, Guimaras Island? Pilalang kabilo ang gagi and mostly ang makasabay mo pa or makasalubong mo for urban cyclists. You can actually do solo rides safely. Okay. For example, kung naga solo ride ka kag maguban ka nga hindi na gid ma-disponeran sa imo tools or patch kits, ara ka lang along the road. May malabayan nga jeep, tricycles, so muna mas safe siya. Mas safe kay rescue whatever kung ano man matabo. Shout out Cyclic Barangay Rabina, Sibunag, part of Sibunag. Diri man kami nag downhill or enduro. Journey time. And bisan pandemic, cycling on these roads and trails are the closest thing we can have to celebrate the festival. Bisan subong na wala crowd. I still experience Manggahan Fest not just in May, but every time nga nagabike ko dere. Reminder to our cyclists, guys, always obey the traffic rules, respect and keep the trails clean from trash, and follow health protocols. Enjoy cycling sa bike paradise of the Philippines. Once again, this is Mosh Magbanua, and this is Cyclic Vlog.